national routes are producing shabu on board, then place them in plastic cans and just jettisoned it outside with the GPS. So yung mga dito, I'm sorry to say this, but mga Chinese, nilagyan na yung mga GPS, tapos yung mga tao nila kukunin yung, may GPS eh. So kita ang pasok ng shabu. Now I said noong mayor ako, ang template ko kasi Davao. And I was expecting that this government was really working. Ang pagtingin ko sa customs, except for yung mga palusot na yung taratara tawag nila, I did not expect that itong Bureau of Customs na ahensya ko was also importing drugs. Kaya paano kung matapos yung 6 months to 1 year? Even if you give me the whole term. Hindi ko matapos yan. Pati yung customs ko na inaasahan ko, nagpapalusot ng droga. O saan pupunta ang Pilipino? Tapos the only problem is sabihin nila, barbaric daw. Hindi naman na tinitignan yung anong trabaho. Magtanong muna kayo, ano yung trabaho ng pinatay? At sino ang pumatay? Or either way, sino ang pumatay? Bakit niya pinatay? That should be it. Hindi yung sino yung biktima, mahirap ito, anak lang ito ng, you know,
Sir?
Ang buhay, the world is turning, planet Earth. It will not wait for you na sabihin mo, kasi anak lang ako ng hold-upper, anak lang ako ng puta, ganon ang buhay namin. Mahirap yan.
Sir, picking up on your point, sir, do you have any information about what the police has already officially told you about the case as far as Kian's case is concerned? Ano po yung info na nakarating sa inyo?
Nung nakita ko yung tape, tinawagan ko si Bato.
Okay, sir.
Sabi ko, hulihin mo na at kulungin mo. Hindi ninyo alam yan kasi hindi ako nagpapa-interview. Seasonal ang gana ko. Kasi si Rappler minsan, nagbabaliktad ng ano. So I had to explain kanina the role of the police and the gangster. Ganito yan eh. Police ito, gangster. If there is a confrontation, the duty of the criminal or ang dapat gawin niya is to surrender. Ang police naman is to arrest, take the criminal into custody, and if there is resistance, to overcome the resistance. That is the law. You have to overcome. Otherwise, you cannot bring him to the police station to start the investigation. So in other words, kung lumaban, you have to neutralize him. I never ordered also to the police to commit suicide. Mahirap yan. Kaya nang nangyari, hindi naiintindihan that the police is supposed to arrest and take custody of the criminal. Ikaw yung criminal, you have a duty to surrender. And kaya, because ang duty nito, hindi lang ganon.
Sir?
You have to overcome. Talhin mo sa istasyon.
Sir, does that mean that the police action on the incident, on Kian, is justified? Why is it justified?
No. Because the story is yet unfolding. And Aguirre, in a moment sabi niya, investigate. Yan yung may departamento. Ang presidente hindi pwedeng makialam dyan. Kung sabihin ko kay Bit na ganon na, wag yan, that would be an obstruction of justice. And you can get impeached. Impeachable offense yan. Kaya hindi ko talaga sabihin ko doon sa SW na, wag mong ibigay ang pera dyan sa dito mo ibigay. Cannot do that. Dito ako sa taas. Ngayon, kung pagkatapos, you need the approval, if it's money, then I approve it. Pero hindi ako pwedeng makialam dyan sa, hindi pwede talaga. That's bawal.
Thank you, Joseph Morong. Next question, Trisha Macas.
Are you
GMA News
satisfied?
Online.
Sige, oh. So we're good until
Sir, short
2 o'clock
lang
in the
naman, short
morning.
lang. Sir, okay. Would you agree, sir, that there may be, in the number of operations that the police had, that there were some abuses by the police? And if so, sir, why do you think that
Cannot be
it can
denied.
happen? Yes, sir.
And hindi lahat, a lot of them are already facing charges in court. Hindi mo mapigilan yan. Because kung hindi dito sa fiscal, diskumpiyado ka, you can always go to the ombudsman. The ombudsman is a constitutional body and nobody can, hindi ka pwedeng pumasok dyan. Ombudsman is kagaya ng COA, ombudsman, human rights. Ang presidente walang ano dyan. They can always say no to you and maybe say that do not do it because you can go to prison.
Thank you, Joseph.
Pero gusto ko lang malaman ng tao itong interplay. Kaya sinabi ko, if you are a criminal, surrender. If you are asked to surrender, drop your weapon. Because pagka nagkabarila na, pag pumutok yung pulis at maraming tinamaan sa bala niya, he is not criminally liable. I'm telling you now in public, and you can ask any lawyer, the liability becomes a government obligation to pay civil damages. Depende sa tao kung sinong nakapatay. Pagka pulis, hawak-hawak niyan M16, brrrr. So, spools out a lot of ammunition. Pag tinamaan yung 6 doong patay, tinamaan niya yung criminal, in the performance of duty, wala tayong magawa. Pero pag ang criminal, magbaril niya ng pulis, tapos tinamaan niya yung mga tao, he is liable for the death of the police and yung collateral damage ng mga tao. What is the difference? The difference is that you are in the performance of duty. So, excusable yung collateral damage mo. Pero ang criminal, because you are a criminal, pinatay mo yung pulis at ang napatay mo, iyo yan. Karga sa iyo yan. That is the rule. Problem is, hindi man tinatao na may criminal dito, the obligation or the duty of the police is to confront and overcome the resistance, if it need be, patayin ka para madala ka sa estasyon. That is how these things operate in our country.
Next question, Trisha Macas.
And I am lecturing you about criminal law.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, I just want to ask you about your thoughts on the rejection of the Commission on Appointments, sir, sa kay former Secretary, the DSWD Secretary Judy Taguiwalo.
They voted secretly. I do not know who voted for and who was against Taguiwalo. And that is the job of Congress as part of the checks and balances in this government. Checks and balance yan eh. So, wala tayong magawa kung i-reject. I do not want to attribute or impute something, motive. It's a discretion and devoted secret. Whom am I supposed to, what? It's not my duty to...
Sir, but do you have a replacement na po for former Secretary Taguiwalo?
What? A replacement?
Yes, sir. Your next DSWD Secretary.
I just offered it to Doris Bigornia. Ayaw niya. Totoo. I'm not joking. All that I ask of her is just to work and avoid corruption, period. And enjoy the duty of serving your countrymen. Yan lang natin sinabi ko. Whoever it is or would be, I am asking you just to work sincerely, earn your keep for the day, do not corrupt the money, and I would be happy. I would even shake your hand 1,000 times.
Sir, are you still inclined to nominate someone from the left or to appoint someone from the left to replace?
Are you from the left?
I know, sir.
And ano talaga yan, sana Taguiwalo was a worker.